In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on Calendly. Whether you're looking to collaborate with teammates, streamline scheduling, or simply make your team meetings more efficient, adding team members to Calendly can help you manage your calendar like a pro. Calendly is a powerful scheduling platform that integrates seamlessly with tools you already use like Google Calendar to save time and avoid the back and forth of scheduling. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up now. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, head over to the official Calendly website. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. This will take you to the sign-in options. For the most seamless experience, I recommend choosing Continue with Google. This way, you won't need to remember another password, and it will integrate directly with your Google services. Next, select the Google account you'd like to use with Calendly. This could be your personal Google account or a Google Workspace account provided by your employer or school. Just keep in mind that whichever account you choose will need access to your calendar for scheduling. Once you've selected the account, Calendly will ask for permission to access your Google Calendar. Click Continue to grant those permissions. This step is essential so Calendly can check your availability and help avoid double booking or scheduling conflicts. After that, you'll be directed to your Calendly dashboard, which is the hub for managing your schedule and settings. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step, adding a team member. To add a teammate, start by navigating to the Admin Center. You'll find this option in the navigation menu on your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Invite a Teammate option and click on it. This will open up a form where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite to your team. Be sure to double-check the email addresses you've entered for typos. Even a small mistake can delay the invitation process. After you've entered the email addresses, click Next to continue to the step where you assign roles. Here, you have the option to customize the level of access each individual will have. For most users, you'll want to select Regular Team Member, which provides standard access for scheduling and collaboration. However, if someone on your team needs more control over the account, like managing team settings or billing, you can assign them Administrative Access. Choose the role that best matches each person's responsibilities to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you've set the roles, click Send Invitation. Calendly will then send an email to each person you've invited, containing a link they can use to join your team. Make sure to let your invitees know to check their inboxes, and possibly their spam folders, just in case the invitation doesn't appear right away. Now, all you need to do is wait for your teammates to accept their invitations. Once they've done that, they'll officially be part of your Calendly team, and you'll be able to collaborate with them on scheduling and managing events. And that's it. You've just learned how to add someone on Calendly, from logging in to sending out team invitations. This process is a quick way to enhance collaboration and simplify scheduling for you and your team. If you have any questions or need help with another feature, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.